It's Sean Dev. I can't even contain my excitement. I am so excited कि मैं Sean को देखने वाली हूँ. You don't even understand. I can't even speak. I have to leave at 2:30. अभी 1:30 हो रहा है. Almost 2 o'clock, which is amazing. Love my life. और मैं नीचे बैठी हूँ because पापा के घर पे the small mirror जो मैं हर जगह carry करती हूँ, I broke it 2 to 3 months ago. So अभी मेरे को बहुत डर लग रहा है to get another mirror. So right now if you see, this is the mirror I am working with. It's right in front of me. टूट भी नहीं सकता तो perfect for me. Hi, मैं वॉइस ओवर कर रही हूँ because for some reason मैं इन क्लिप्स में ना अपना मुंह खोल के बात नहीं कर रही. It's either because I just woke up or because मैं शॉन के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ and even the thought of seeing him talking about it makes me nervous. But उसे पता भी नहीं है कि मैं exist करती हूँ. I don't know, it's crazy. Basically in this clip I'm talking about how I have been a fan of Sean for almost a decade, like 10 years, 9 years. And the fact that I'm gonna see him is like a dream come true. I've admired him forever, his music, everything. So it's super exciting. And the second thing is कि मुझे Zed को भी देखना था और Sean को भी देखना था. And I love both of them. But the thing is कि वो same time perform कर रहा है तो मुझे उनके बीच pick करना है, choose करना है. And I obviously chose Sean because I love him, but I also love Zed. तो I'm ranting about the fact that मुझे choose करना है, पर मुझे दोनों को देखना था. You get the gist, but that's all. I'm ranting, basically. Also, I'm breaking out over here. Do not even mind it. I was on my period and उसके बाद I don't know what happened to my skin. My skin said अब जहाँ भी जाएगी ये लेके जाएगी अपने साथ. The fan is on, but I was like makeup दिखाई देती हूँ in a time lapse. Not even a time lapse, just bits. And do not even look over there. That is a whole mess. But yeah, just makeup देख लो because I love watching people do their makeup for concerts and generally. So I'm just gonna show you guys clips. I hope you enjoy it. Makeup is done for the most part. I still have to put setting spray and my lip combo, but I have to do my hair first. So let's do that. Okay, I'm ready and I'm carrying a lot of things. I'm super late. Let's rush. एक second, U-turn लो. My dumbass is taking a U-turn because I haven't used my setting spray to lock my makeup in. So what is the point of doing ये सब बहुत beautiful makeup अगर रहने नहीं वाला. So I'm gonna go back, take a U-turn. I'm like 1 minute away from my house and I will put my setting spray. My mother threw it from the window. That's the perk of living not too high up. Now this better stay, which I think it will. उसको रहना ही पड़ेगा अभी. Let's see. Guys, TMI, but there are at least 5 band-aids on my toes right now because these are the boots I'm wearing. These are the boots I'm wearing, ठीक है? और for some reason I've gotten a size small. I'm not sure कौन सा size लेके आया, but it's hurting me. But I'm wearing boots and I'm committing to the bed because this makes the entire outfit, like the outfit looks good only with the boots. So अगर मैं boots नहीं पहनूंगी तो it look बकवास. And I don't care if it hurts. I really don't care. I am going to wear it. Doesn't matter. It's currently 4. Isabel is the first person that I want to see because I really don't know the rest besides Isabel. Maybe Talvinder. I've heard the songs. I don't know the lyrics. There is Jonita, probably pronouncing her name completely wrong, and that's fine. And Sean and Zed. दोनों साथ में play कर रहे हैं तो I'll obviously see Sean. But yeah, I'm listening to their music now to catch up like the rest of them. Hopefully I reach on time and I don't miss Isabel, which is at 4:45. So wish me luck. I'm at the C-Link. I don't think I'm too far. Mahalakshmi would be what? I'm bad with कहाँ जाना है time, but I'm gonna reach soon. I'm so excited. And I've put this on because I know कि मैं भूल जाऊँगी सब चीज़ें, so I'm just removing it. I also have to wear the VIP card. So remind me, please. I'm here, kind of. Guys, the crowd, the traffic is insane. It's jam-packed. एंड आई डोंट थिंक अभी मूव करने वाला है गाड़ी एट ऑल. I ate a lot. Now I'm heading back.
Think about it and she knows it. I wanna let her take control. Cause every time that she gets close, I start confessing, yeah. I've been shaking, I love you and you go crazy. You take all my inhibition, yeah. There's nothing holding me back. You take me places that turn my mind. Says that she's never afraid. Just picture everybody naked. She doesn't really like to wait. Not really into hesitation. She pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. You wait to find, know we'd be alright. I know we would be alright if you were by my side. It was how I feel. Wouldn't it be nice to live inside a world that isn't black and white? I wonder what it's like to be my friends. Hope that they don't think I'll forget about them. I wonder when I cry into my hand, oh man. And I wonder if someday you'll be by my side. Tell me, I wonder what it's like to be loved by Sing it out now. And you can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say that he's the one that and then you tell me want it to stop. I know I can treat you better than he can. And I think I like you. You kind of man. Tell me why I'll be wasting time on your wasted time. You should be with me instead. Promise I won't let you down. Eyes on red, looking through your timeline, seeing all the rainbows. I've got an idea, and I know that it sounds crazy, baby. I wanna see ya. Stayed up last night. I'm a couple hundred miles from Japan, and I was thinking I could fly out of your hotel tonight, baby. Yeah. 'Cause I can't get you off my mind. I love the way you call me, pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming. Living Miami. Would you please have mercy, mercy? Oh my, please but that I've been before, but no one's ever left me quite this slow. Your words got deeper than I. Now I need someone.
I'm gonna find my car now. Let's hope I find it. I just found my car and it was itna zyada hectic. Also there's so much walking and I'm walking in my boots which are pata nahi, I think at least a size smaller. My shoes firstly are dirty as hell, gande ho gaya, which is besides the point. But I have at least 5 shoe bites, at least. That is on one leg and the other. Oh.
I'm taking my boots off right now, and trust me, there's nothing better in this world besides seeing Shawn Mendes live than taking your shoes off. Holy frick. My legs are swollen, you guys. मैं दिखा देती, but this is not OnlyFans. Yeah, and it was so... Ouch. Once I collect myself, I will be back. Okay, now let me tell you all about the experience. It was spectacular. I went for Shawn. It was so worth it, because seeing him perform live is the dreamiest, most amazing, incredible thing. He is such a good performer. There was like this lady and this man after the performance who mere samne chale, and they were like, I didn't think he could sing. I'm like, are you stupid? Have you even watched him live or listened to him? He is an incredible singer. He owned it. Firstly, the funniest thing was after every song वो धन्यवाद बोल रहा था in Hindi, and with his little accent was the cutest thing in the world. I obsessed, genuinely obsessed. He killed it, and I know for a fact the people that walked out of his set have become fans, like 100,000%. He is a performer. He has great stage presence, vocals, top notch. I'm sorry, vlog thoda all over the place tha because I couldn't film during the festival as much. I took clips, but ज़्यादा it won't make sense, so I'll try to do as many voiceovers as possible. But I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I went alone, and going alone has its perks, okay? Going alone has its perk. तुम अपने according कर सकते हो. The worst part is there are two bad parts. One, random men will hit on you because you're alone. It could be an uncle, it could be someone your age. They will hit on you. Number two, somebody is drunk and walking. Right, so they will hit on you. Doesn't matter how old they are. They see you alone, they will hit on you. Number two, but then it's fine. Like most of the times I was like, I'm not interested, sorry, but I appreciate it, and I was just run away. I ran as fast as I could. Number two is you have company. Company is always the best. So through the pain, y'all can like. It was the best thing in the world, and I'm so happy I came. I think I know for a fact Shawn will go and tell everybody to come to India as well, because we did so well. Everybody was singing on the top of their lungs, and everybody was in the best way. They knew all the lyrics, best thing in the world.
Hi, I'm back home, और मैंने सोचा कि मैं वीडियो ठीक से कंक्लूड करती हूँ. एटलीस्ट कुछ पार्ट ऑफ द व्लॉग विल बी ठीक. आई लुक लाइक क्रैप. मैंने अपने बूट्स निकाल दिए ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज इट वॉज पेनिंग मी लाइक हेल. बट एनीवे, टुडे वाज मैजिकल. मैं सच में बता नहीं सकती और एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि व्हेन यू सी समवन यू हैव बीन एडमायरिंग एंड लुकिंग अप टू फॉर ऑलमोस्ट अ डेकेड, और उनको सामने देखते हो परफॉर्मिंग, एंड द वे दैट ही परफॉर्म वाज सो मैजिकल, वाज सो परफेक्ट एंड सो रिस्पेक्टफुल. द वे ही इनकॉर्पोरेटेड इंडिया का कल्चर विद लाइक द सितार एंड द तबला प्लेइंग, just being so good. It was the best experience ever and truly magical. It was so good ki although like my back is paining, my legs are bruised, my toes are literally bruised. I had 5 band-aids. I would do it over and over again. Not once, not twice, how many ever times. He was so good, and it felt so good singing the lyrics with people who knew the lyrics as well. It was the best feeling in the world. That concludes day 1 and the only day I'm going. Tomorrow Avni's going to see Louis. Anyway, bye.